Hello and good morning, all. Welcome to today's market analysis. Today is 13th August 2020, and today we'll see how market can move. Okay, and what is the trading level and what we can do because today is Thursday and it's expiry day. Okay, so what we can do today? Let's go on charting site. So this is the charting site. Okay, so first, as I told you, we need levels for trading, right? So this is 1 hour candle, and you can see here this is last 1 hour candle high and low. Okay, so now you can see here the difference is last candle difference is less than 100, right? So we need to take this candle as a support. Now you can check. Okay, you can take previous support also, right? So those who are in my inner circle, they know what I am doing. Okay, but if anyone is new, so I'm marking a support and resistance level on yesterday's moment. Okay, so just this is you can see this is the levels which I marked. Okay, now if you see this level, that this, okay, this is the level from where the market can go up if this level is crossed, and the huge area for this you can see. If I go to the daily candle, then after this we need to check a daily support and resistance. Okay, so click on 1 day candle, and if you see here, after this is also a daily resistance, here also one of the daily resistance. Okay, and when the daily resistance is crossed or break, that is the good opportunity to buy, right? So what we can do, we need to mark as our target. Okay, so what will be the target level? So target, we have to find the just after this, means this level, this we can see here. Now this looks, you can see here 22,322, right? This is the buying level and this is the target. Okay, why we mark this target? Because previous day candle high, we are looking here only. We can see here, right? And there is another two, three support and resistance over there. Okay, you can see here. I'm just showing you. You have to analyze by yourself. Okay, this is one, this two, right? This is three, four. So this is the good resistance, right? We can see that that is the good resistance for trading. Okay, and another, what is the support can be? If this level is break, then the first support is this, you can see here. Okay, and the second and good support is here, right? So you can see here there is two supports, right? This is this one, this two, three, four, 5, 6. So there are lots of candles determining the support at that level. So this can be our target for selling. If market is going down, so that can be our target. But this level particularly, this is the cash levels. Okay, and why I mark this level and why I am taking this level, because I have to trade in option hedging, right? Because if you are trading in future and your level is mismatched, then you can get a loss, right? So now this is the level which you have to follow and you have to use this. Now listen carefully. Now you understand this, right? If this is the level break, then you will buy and your target is this, right? And if this level is broken, your target will be this, and you will sell it, right? This we have a clear cut idea. Now market can open a gap up or gap down, right? If the market is gap up till this level, till this 22,673, then you will do nothing in future. But in option, how you can take trade, I'm just explaining you. Now if market is not breaking this line, this 22,673, or taking support, you can sell a call here. You can sell OTM call here, which premium, if the premium of call is say 100 rupees, okay? So for hedging, you can sell one put which premium should be less than that. Means if you can take 50 rupees is better, no problem, right? So what you are doing, basically you are selling a higher call and lower put, right? Higher premium call and lower premium put. So if your view is correct, then you will get minimum 50 rupees in just 1 and 2 hours, okay? And if your view is wrong, then you can lose only 25-30 rupees if market is going so fast, then only, because today is the expiry and you can get better results, right? So vice versa you can do with the put also, right? So watch this today's level, do your own analysis. I will sending you the levels and all, okay? So do subscribe my channel if you are watching it on YouTube, okay? And thanks a lot, bye bye.